Hey everyone, it's Joanne Moretti. I'm very glad to be providing this little video for Phil Johnson, someone I've known for probably over 15 years now, and have so enjoyed working with him. Phil and I first met when I was at CA Technologies, now it's called Broadcom. And I really was at a time in my career when I needed to learn how to manage people and not tasks. I was really making this transition to management and leadership and needed that type of support and coaching and insight and wisdom that Phil brings to the table. So I thoroughly enjoyed his 13-week program. I recommend it to many people. I first met him through, I guess, our people team who had introduced me to Phil, and couldn't have been more grateful for that experience. Highly recommended. It changed my life. It changed my career. I can say that without any exaggeration. Gave me a whole new approach to building trust and relationships and empathetic approaches to working with people, because we are people and everything is about, especially in sales, everything is about relationships. And again, it just changed my career. So super grateful to have worked with him. I work with a wonderful company now called Fictiv, who absolutely shares these types of views and values. So I find myself in a great position today after so many years. Really, I highly recommend Phil's program. So thank you so much for the opportunity to share this with you. And I hope that it makes a difference and his program makes a difference in your success and career.